Ladies and gentlemen, for decades, people have searched for the secret to becoming wealthy. They have looked for shortcut, magic investment, the perfect business, the next big opportunity. But what if I told you that wealth isn't built on secret, it's built on habits? The truth is simple. If you consistently practice 5 financial habits, your chances of building wealth increasing dramatically over time. Let's begin. Habit number 1, have a written financial plan. Every successful journey starts with a destination. You wouldn't build a skyscraper without a blueprint. So why are so many people trying to build a financial future without a budget? Money without a plan disappears. Money with a purpose multiplies. If you don't tell your money where to go, you will spend your life wondering where it went. Habit number 2, eliminate necessary debt. Your income is your greatest wealth building tool, but every payment you owe steals a piece of your future. Debt limits your choices. Freedom begins when your income starts working for your dreams instead of paying for yesterday's decisions. Imagine waking up knowing that every dollar you earn belongs to you. That's financial freedom. Habit number 3, live below your means. This is where discipline beats ego. Many people try to look rich. Very few people actually become rich. The wealthy don't build fortunes by spending everything they earn. They build wealth by creating margin. Spend less than you make. Increase your skill. Increase your value. And never believe that you are permanently stuck. Your current situation is not your final destination. The moment you decide to grow, your future begins to change. Habit number 4, save and invest consistently. Saving isn't about how much you make, it's about what you keep. Investing isn't reserved for millionaires, it's how millionaires are treated. So many people spend years arguing about the perfect investment while investing nothing at all. The greatest investment mistakes isn't choosing the wrong asset, it's never getting started. Time rewards those who act, not those who endlessly debate. Habit number 5, be extraordinary generous. Real wealth isn't measured by luxury, it's measured by impact. The greatest joy money can bring is the ability to change someone else's life. Help your family, support your community, give because you can, not because you have to. That's when money becomes meaningful. So remember, there's 5 principles. Have a plan, get out of debt, live below your means, save and invest consistently, and become radically generous. Success with money isn't luck, it isn't talent, it isn't politics. It's the result of daily discipline repeated for years. Your financial future will not be decided by chance. It will be decided by the choice you make today. Start today, stay consistent, and let your habits build the future you have always dreamed of. Thank you.